Homeowners in Knoxville are always looking for smart ways to boost property value while improving everyday comfort. One upgrade that often flies under the radar, but delivers impressive returns, is installing or upgrading awning windows. These versatile, top-hinged windows offer a combination of style, efficiency, and practicality that appeals to both current homeowners and future buyers. Awning windows are designed to open outward from the top, creating a slanted opening that allows fresh air in while keeping rain out. In a climate like Knoxville's, where humidity, seasonal rain, and warm summers are common, this feature alone makes them especially valuable. Homebuyers increasingly prioritize homes that feel bright, well-ventilated, and energy efficient, and awning windows help deliver on all three. One of the most immediate benefits of upgrading to awning windows is improved ventilation. Because they can remain open during light rain, homeowners can enjoy consistent airflow without worrying about water damage. This is particularly appealing in Knoxville neighborhoods where maintaining indoor air quality is important due to humidity. Kitchens, bathrooms, and basements benefit greatly from this type of window, making the home feel fresher and more comfortable year-round. Energy efficiency is another major selling point. Modern awning windows are typically built with advanced materials, tight seals, and double or triple pane glass options. These features help regulate indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer. During Knoxville's hot summers, this means less reliance on air conditioning. In cooler months, they help retain indoor warmth. Lower energy bills are a strong incentive for buyers, and energy-efficient upgrades can significantly increase a home's perceived value. From a design standpoint, awning windows add a clean, contemporary look that complements a variety of home styles, from traditional Southern homes to modern renovations. Their compact size makes them ideal for pairing with larger fixed windows, creating attractive window combinations that maximize natural light. Bright, naturally lit interiors are highly desirable in today's market, giving sellers an edge when listing their homes. Security is another factor that shouldn't be overlooked. Awning windows are generally considered more secure than some other window types because of their locking systems and the way they open. Even when slightly open, their design makes it difficult for intruders to enter. This added sense of safety is something potential buyers notice, especially families looking for a secure living environment. Maintenance is also relatively simple. Many modern awning windows are made with durable frames such as vinyl or fiberglass, which resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. Knoxville homeowners dealing with seasonal weather changes will appreciate windows that require minimal upkeep while maintaining their appearance and performance over time. For homeowners planning to sell, these upgrades can improve curb appeal and create a strong first impression. Windows are one of the first features buyers notice, both inside and out. Clean lines, updated frames, and improved functionality signal that the home has been well cared for. Even small upgrades like replacing outdated windows can make a home feel newer and more move-in ready. It's also worth noting that awning windows can be a cost-effective improvement compared to larger renovations. While kitchen remodels or room additions can be expensive and time-consuming, window upgrades offer a more manageable investment with a noticeable impact. When chosen strategically, such as upgrading key areas like living rooms or moisture-prone spaces, the return on investment can be significant. In Knoxville's competitive housing market, standing out matters. Buyers are drawn to homes that offer comfort, efficiency, and thoughtful upgrades. Awning windows check all these boxes while enhancing both functionality and visual appeal. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy a better living environment, investing in awning window upgrades is a practical and rewarding way to increase your home's value.